Brilliant.
Avatar.
Avatar, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, yes.
Absolutely. But just brilliant. Never seen anything like it.
I make it 10 years ago.
Yeah.
When the film was actually.
Yes.
And I say I must make it, but
Yes.
it's a duocopter. It's very difficult to make it because only 2 rotors.
Yes.
Very difficult.
So do you use a flight controller inside it?
Yes, I make it 10 years before, so it's only a KK board.
Okay.
And but it works well.
It does. It works exceptionally well.
Yeah. Yes, it was a long time to make it that it fly.
To get it to fly like that, yes.
But it's so much fun.
Yeah, yes. It's all a part of a development process.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Yes.
To achieve that result.
Yeah.
Brilliant demonstration. Thanks very much.
When I found a second pilot, we can make a fight like a Pandora.
Oh, I see.
I have 2 of
Yeah, that would be good. Have you found a second pilot yet?
Must see. They all have their own models and say, "Oh, no time, no time, no
Yeah.
time."
Okay. Well, maybe
Perhaps.
sometime this weekend.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Friedrichshafen, we fly with 2.
Okay.
It's brilliant.
All right.
Super.
Okay. All right. Well, I hope for that.
Yes. It's a